What is the probability of having an odd number in a single toss of a fair die? You are welcome back to this YouTube channel. If you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button now, like this video, comment and share so that it can reach others. Thank you. Now let's get back to business. Solution. Now a fair die has 6 sides. Okay, so the number of sides or of a fair die is equal to 6. Understood? That is, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So those are the sides that we have. So when you toss a die now once, the question says, what is the probability that the probability of having an odd number just in a single toss? How do we do that? So we are going to write out the total number of the odds. Okay, the total number of the odds are 1, 3 and then 5. Those are the odd numbers there. So for me to find the probability of having an odd number now, I will have the probability of having odd number will be equal to the total number of odd values that we have in a die, which are 1, 3 and 5. How many are they? Just 3 digits. 3 divided by the total number of sides that we have in a die, that is 6. Okay, so let's reduce to a simplest form. 3 here is 1, 3 in 6 is 2, and that is 1 over 2. So that is the solution to the problem. So the probability of having a odd number is half.